Okay, back from Scotland. Oh, Rosie's happy, look. Oh, I don't know if you caught it. Yeah, back from Scotland. It was so lovely, honestly. 10 days, absolute. I'm kind of missing the mountain scenery. Although our own, this area, part of the world is blooming lovely as well. So I'm going to have a look at what state the plot's in, because it's well, there was a massive heat wave down here while we it was very cool, not the same, although we had lots of sunshine, which was pretty special up in the Highlands. The forecast said it rained the whole time, but that wasn't true. So yeah, I mean, we need a good tidy up. Come and have a look. I was amazed because I have popped down here to see that the lettuce, well, it's not died off. I mean, some of it's seeded, bolted, the rocket, but let's have a look. Right, first of all, the pond. It needs, obviously I haven't finished on this. What do I need to do? Bury the frog home and carry on filling it with water, because obviously we've had some big storms down here apparently, which have filled the water butts up. So, but look at I mean, I did plant some herbs actually as a way of explanation. Because before we were about to go, I'd bought them from the nursery, and it was literally the day before, and I thought, oh my god, I better get them in the ground. Considering the terrible weather, as in it was boiling hot for 10 days. I mean, 30 degrees, maybe higher. Things have survived. So what have I got? I mean, ignore that. That's going to be, well, there is a courgette there, in fact. Look at how, this is why planting courgettes late doesn't really work, because look how stunted they are. That one there, that's thyme. I might move that later. That's chives. And again, I was kind of getting it in the ground quick. And sage. And obviously and a courgette there and a courgette there. But this is my fault for planting it so late. I need to get rid of all this weeds. But the lettuce, just step over. That's the rocket. It has seeded. I might try and I'm going to collect the seeds from these, I think. And that's, so I've been using that lettuce, and that's actually been proven really good. I'm really pleased with that. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just do some weeding. Oh, I did want to show you the field. They've been collecting bale. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, but you see that there's lines and lines of hay, or not hay, wheat, lying, that the machine kind of picks them up and puts them in that kind of square into hay bales. But it's not hay bales, it must be, of course it might be actually. I was thinking it was wheat, but that's hay. Okay, it's hay. Yeah, so we're going to have some massive machine coming up and down, squishing it into big rectangles. Yeah, they were up to 11 at night last night. They were working. Big lights on the combine harvester. I don't know if that's actually what it's called. Right, let's set you down and start doing some weeding. I mean, look at this corner. Oh, yeah. That needs, I will come back to that. I'm not too worried about that. I'm just going to tidy up this bed 1 and bed 2. Water everything and try and see if I can, well, the frog pond is a separate one. I am going to be doing that, filling up some water, but I'm making a separate vlog so that you see it from start to finish. Anyway, let's crack on. See you in a bit. Oh, right, watering next. Oh, now the lettuce. I did sow seeds, but obviously we've been away, so they've not taken. You should be here to water. Never mind. I might actually sow some now. That wouldn't be a bad idea actually. Not right now, but in the next couple of days I need to see if I've got any seeds. Because lettuce, salads is what I'm eating a lot of. Oh, that's a lot better. Come and have a look. Oh, I need to trim actually. Hello, Rosie. It's a good girl. She's a good girl. Right. A little bit better. That will be another day. I'll tackle that another day. Oh, Rosie, here you go. Yeah, I'm happy that the lettuce have survived this hot weather while we were away. So I'm going to crack on trimming just this area, just to neaten it up. I need to get rid of that. That's going to be fun. Probably load up something to take to the dump every so often. But I'm just going to trim this sort of flat grass area. There's no hedgehogs in here. It's all. I'm not delving. And I actually think I don't have any because there's chicken wire all around this whole boundary, which was put in by the previous tenants because they had dogs. So I'm not sure anything can actually get in because I've tried wildlife cameras and no, I don't get anything. Anyway, I'm going to trim now and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, look at this. It's hot, but there's a nice breeze blowing. Right, see you in a bit. That's a bit better, nice and neater. Ignore that pile. I've harvested some rhubarb actually. You probably saw that on the time lapse. I'm sure someone mentioned it about maybe laying them in the compost bin, but I thought I'd lay them flat, a bit like weed suppressors. I had to put some soil on top because flipping heck it's windy and it gets really windy here, so that should do it though, to be fair. Right, well, rhubarb's there. I've got loads of blackberries kind of growing just off the driveway, so I think I might pick a few and make some rhubarb and blackberry pies. I've got some hot watercress pastry in the freezer, which I made a while ago before I went away, and that would make a lovely pie. I just need to get custard. Oh, that could be, I think that might be a vlog for the channel. I just need to get custard. Right, I'm pleased with that. I did, interestingly, before we went away, I managed to procure 2 compost bins for free and 3 water butts. The water butts are absolutely brilliant, and they hadn't even been used, but they were being thrown out, so we kind of rescued them. Right, I'm gonna yeah, I'll show you the water butts, to be fair, well, one of them, while I take this to the Dams and jam. I picked quite a few before we went away and put them in the freezer. Pitted them, but I haven't actually had a look. Ooh, they're the red ones. There's a few there. I'll pick those. I don't know if you caught that. So these compost bins are really brilliant. 2 of them. I've put them over here. I don't know if you can see yet. Next to the rosemary, behind the rosemary. That was my daughter's Mother's Day gift, and it's really happy there, but the soil is in terrible, absolutely, but still it seems to be happy, so they're completely free. Yeah, and the water butt, I'll just show you where the water butt is. Well, we've got 3, so but one's connected. These cost about £250 brand new. Can you see all that? This is temporary. We will be drilling a hole, and it has this lid that you can put soil in and grow plants in, which is amazing. Woo, nearly got hit by the washing line. So 3 of those, absolutely brilliant. What a stroke of luck. They're currently stored in the side because we have to sort of connect them, but that's really good for water harvesting going forward. I still hope to get a shed, but that's probably a winter project, to be fair. Yeah, well, it was nice going and having a little visit. I've got a few things I'm hoping to do, like go visit Bourne Mill, which is something that some of you might have heard of. Quite a lovely place. Beth Chatto, I'd really like to go and visit the sort of garden. It's in a quarry apparently. Anyway, enough of that. That's coming. So I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.